Imagine waking up in the morning getting ready for your day, and instead of picking up your phone, you simply talk to artificial intelligence that is clipped to your clothes. It listens, understands, sees the world with you, and responds instantly. This is not science fiction anymore. This is what Apple is quietly preparing, and the product is called Apple AI Pen. Whenever Apple enters a new category, it does not just launch a product, it reshapes the entire industry. The iPhone changed how we communicate, Apple Watch changed how we think about health and wearables, and now Apple AI Pen could change how humans interact with artificial intelligence forever. Apple AI Pen is expected to be a small wearable device that you can pin to your shirt jacket or coat. Unlike smartphones, it will not rely on a traditional screen. Instead, it will use voice cameras and sensors to understand your environment and assist you naturally throughout the day. The idea behind Apple AI Pen is simple but powerful. Artificial intelligence should not live inside a screen, it should live with you, move with you, and help you without demanding your attention. According to reports, Apple AI Pen will be roughly the size of an AirTag, small, lightweight, and minimal in design, but inside this tiny device, Apple plans to pack advanced hardware including multiple microphones, cameras, and a speaker. These microphones will allow the device to clearly hear your voice even in noisy environments. The cameras will help the I understand what you are looking at and what is happening around you. This means Apple AI Pen will not just respond to commands, it will understand context. For example, imagine you are traveling in a new city, you look at a building and ask what this place is. The AI Pen sees what you see, processes the information, and gives you a clear answer without you opening any app or searching on a screen. This device is expected to run on Apple next generation AI system, often described as a much more advanced version of Siri. This will not be the old limited voice assistant. This will be a conversational intelligent system capable of understanding natural language in real-world situations. Apple AI Pen is part of Apple's broader vision called Apple Intelligence, where AI becomes deeply integrated into everyday life while respecting user privacy. Privacy is a major reason why Apple's approach to AI stands out. Reports suggest that most of the processing on Apple AI Pen will happen directly on the device. This means your voice conversations and visual data do not need to be constantly sent to cloud servers. Apple wants AI to be personal but private, helpful but secure. This philosophy could give Apple AI Pen a huge advantage over other AI wearable attempts. Now the big question, why does Apple AI Pen matter? Right now, almost all AI experiences are screen-based. Phones, laptops, tablets, and monitors dominate how we interact with technology. Apple AI Pen represents a shift toward a screenless AI future where technology fades into the background. This is not Apple's first step in this direction. AirPods, Apple Watch, and Vision Pro all move toward more natural interaction. Apple AI Pen takes this idea even further. Other companies have tried similar concepts before, but adoption has been limited. Apple's strength lies in its ecosystem. The AI Pen will likely work seamlessly with iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, and Mac. If you are wearing AirPods, you may hear responses directly in your ears. If you are using Apple Watch, notifications can appear there. If something requires a screen, your iPhone can instantly take over. This makes Apple AI Pen an extension of your digital life rather than a replacement for your phone. For content creators, this device could be incredibly powerful. Imagine attending an event and asking your AI Pen to summarize what is happening, create quick notes, or generate ideas in real time. For students, Apple AI Pen could act like a personal tutor. You could look at a textbook page, ask a question, and receive a clear explanation instantly. For professionals, the AI Pen could assist with meetings, reminders, scheduling, and real-time insights without interrupting workflow. Apple AI Pen could also change accessibilities. People who struggle with screens or traditional interfaces may find voice-based AI much easier and more natural. The device is still rumored to be in early development, and Apple has not officially announced it yet. Most reports suggest a possible launch around 2027. Apple is known for taking its time, perfecting hardware, software, and user experience before releasing anything. This is why expectations around Apple AI Pen are extremely high. One of the biggest challenges for Apple will be convincing people that a screenless AI device is useful and trustworthy. Past attempts by other companies face criticism due to limited functionality and privacy concerns. However, Apple has something others do not: a long history of building trust with users and delivering polished products. If Apple AI Pen succeeds, it could completely change how we understand artificial intelligence. Not as a tool we open only when we need help, but as a quiet companion that stays with us every moment without demanding attention. The future Apple seems to be building is one where AI is invisible yet incredibly powerful, always available but never distracting, always ready but never overwhelming. This is a future where technology no longer pulls us towards screens all day long, a future where AI works in the background, listening, understanding, and assisting only when needed. Apple AI Pin is not just another gadget. It is a statement about where technology is heading and how the relationship between humans and machines is evolving. For decades, we have adapted ourselves to technology. We learned how to use keyboards, touchscreens, apps, and menus. But Apple AI Pen suggests a different future. A future where technology adapts to us. If this product works as intended, it could start a new era where I becomes as natural as speaking and as effortless as thinking. A world where asking questions, learning something new, or getting help feels human, not technical, just like smartphones once felt unnecessary, confusing, and even excessive until they became essential. The AI pin could follow the same journey. At first, people may question it. Why do we need this? Then they may find it useful, and one day they may realize they cannot imagine daily life without it. In the coming years, as more leaks, details, and real-world experiences emerge, Apple AI Pin will likely become one of the most talked about products in the tech world, not because of its size or design, but because of what it represents. It represents a shift from loud technology to calm technology, from screens and notifications to awareness and understanding. This is why Apple AI Pin is not just another wearable, it is a preview of the next chapter of artificial intelligence. A chapter where AI blends into daily life quietly, intelligently, and responsibly, helping us think faster, learn better, stay organized, and make smarter decisions. A future where AI does not replace humans but supports them, enhances them, and empowers them. If Apple gets this right, the AI Pin could mark the moment when artificial intelligence truly becomes personal. Not invasive, not confusing, but genuinely helpful. It could change how students learn, how professionals work, how creators create, and how everyday people interact with technology. Imagine a world where AI helps without interrupting, where answers arrive without searching, where knowledge feels instantly accessible. That is the future Apple AI Pin is pointing toward. And this is why this product matters, not because it is new, but because it could redefine what technology means in our lives. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of the future of artificial intelligence, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates on Apple AI and next generation technology. Your support allows us to bring you deeper insights, clearer explanations, and honest discussions about the technology shaping our world. Comment below and tell us, do you think Apple AI Pin is the future of artificial intelligence or just another experiment? Your opinion matters, and we read every comment. Share this video with friends who love Apple AI, future technology and innovation, because the future is arriving faster than most people realize. And remember, the biggest technological revolutions often start quietly before they change everything. This could be one of those moments.